Say that again.
Just get wheels that fit.
Pro tips from Rob. This car hasn't been running for 2 years.
Could have drove it here.
Yeah, now. So anyway, in today's episode, we are taking this bitch out. Oh shit. All of the WDs. 40 of them to be exact.
The huffs are real around here.
Yeah. We don't believe in sobriety. Oh shit. Anyway. New subframe. I'll adjust that's dirty because I was doing some other things that are cool things. But yeah, so we're gonna keep plugging away at this. The purge valve, which for some reason sits on top of the diff. Got everything almost transferred over to this one. But yeah, it's time to start popping this in. I got the sleeve off the stud in there. I just had to grab some channel locks and spin it. I just need to grab a bolt off my other subframe for that spot right there. See, there's no bolt there. Just gotta grab it off that. And throw the axles in. I'm leaving one unbolted just for pushing around the shop purposes, like with the welded. But yeah, still gonna put it in.
Presidents don't heaven sent, but blame for your cop-outs. Fuck cops out, cause I play a game of knockout. Passion out, blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become. That's what we become. We kill till plum. Wonder what's so sucking dumb.
No compassion, out blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become. That's what we become. We kill till plum. Wonder what's so sucking dumb.
We full of clutter, we purging one of another. Acting kinda childish, like Donald Glover. Ain't made of rubber, but use a rubber to solve the problem one day. Hold the ball like a child without a bottle right now. Between a rock and a hard place. Protect the corners, you tryna be a hard case. Drugs make the heart race. But what a race without a finish, war diminish. We start extinguishing, not applaud.
Do you enjoy?
Like an amen. Keep bombing, Saddam in a lot of common. Arrest us for the farmland. Come on, man. But it's legal in Washington. What the fuck? Probably hanging plaques, smoking a zigzag of the pack. With a laugh, shipping your mask for Colorado tax. After that, we send you back to streets of Chirac to kidnap your ass. What's to make it a little cash? No compassion, now blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become. That's what we become. We kill.
So we got the subframe in. Yeah, I'm excited. Start putting everything together. We we've been just plugging away. I unseized my coils, got a little bit of preload on it. Just tighten everything. So now we're just going to put the wheels on and eyeball align it. And then put it on the ground. Down on the ground. Horrible fender gap. Gross. But she's gonna ride a hell of a lot better. That's an eyeball alignment. Look at that. Ooh, looks good. Alright. Let me get outside so you can hear me. So guys, this is where we're gonna end off this episode. I hope you can see me. This is where we're gonna end off the episode. I could have filmed more. Sorry I didn't. We just really wanted to get it done, so we got more stuff coming. Lots more stuff coming.